Inverter.
Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is Prediction of Fake Instagram Profiles Using Machine Learning. The project is the majority of people now use social networking sites as part of their everyday life. Every day, a vast number of people build profiles on social networking sites and connect with others, regardless of their place or time. False identities play an important role in advanced persisted threats and are also involved in other malicious activity. It is necessary to differentiate between genuine and fake accounts on social media based on the classification. Detecting fake accounts on social media has historically focused on a number of classification methods. However, it is possible to boost the accuracy of fake profile identification in social media. Machine learning and technology is used in the proposed work to increase the percentage of fake profile prediction. In feature selection model, chi-square algorithm is applied and choose the best dataset from our input data. In classification method, the various machine learning algorithms are implemented and analyzes the data. In that, the algorithm is random forest, which is provide the higher accuracy of this process. The classification result based on accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, sensitivity, and specificity. These are all the metrics that we are obtained from our machine learning algorithms. Finally, the fake account prediction data mining field concentrate on prediction more often as compared to generate exact result for future purpose. And the flow diagram of the project is in that we have to select the input data as an Instagram fake account details, and it will be implemented into pre-processing method. In pre-processing, we need to clean our data set. Like in that, we need to check the missing values and null values in our data set. If it is contains any missing and null values, we need to properly clean the data set. And after that, we need to select the independent and dependent variable and split the dataset into training dataset and testing dataset. After that, we need to apply the independent variable into the chi-square selection algorithm, which is used to select the best features from our dataset, and it will show us the visualization. After that, it will be implemented into classification method. In classification method, we are using 4 different types of machine learning algorithm. First one is XGBoost algorithm, second one is logistic regression, k nearest neighbor algorithm, and random forest algorithm. Finally, we evaluate the results by means of metrics like accuracy and classification reports, which is provide the result based on precision, recall, and F1 score for genuine and fake account. And after that, we need to find the confusion matrix. By using of confusion matrix, we can generate the specificity and sensitivity. I have run my project in Anaconda Navigator Spider Run IDE. This is the result of my Instagram fake profile detection, and this is the data selection module. In that, I have to read the dataset and we use the sample dataset in the console working directory. After that, I just describe the dataset of every columns like count value, mean value, standard value, minimum to maximum values for every columns. And after that, I have to check the information about the dataset. In that, I have to find the type of data for every columns, and after that it will apply into pre-processing method. In pre-processing, we need to clean our dataset. In data cleaning, it will check the null values in our dataset. There is no null values in our dataset, that's why it will provide the value 0. After that, I will do some visualization like count plot and also correlation diagram. In count plot, I have to choose the number of real accounts and number of fake accounts in the count plot and also pie chart. And this is the overall correlation graph of overall columns in our dataset. And after that, I have to plot the histogram plot for every columns, and these are the results for every column histogram. And this is the chi-square feature selection algorithm visualization. It will choose the number or length of full name. This is the maximum best feature for in our dataset. After that, I will apply into classification. First I will implement the XGBoost algorithm. XGBoost algorithm is one type of ensemble learning algorithm. It will analyze the data set based on multiple trees in the sequential pattern, and it will show the result is 85%. And these are the classification report for real and fake account. precision, recall, and F1 score for real and fake account. Precision is the number of correct prediction. Recall is number of correct instances of prediction. F1 score is to measure the test accuracy. The average of the real and fake account F1 score is providing the XGBoost algorithm's accuracy. And this is the confusion matrix diagram. In that it will show the how many number of real account and how many number of fake account it will properly predict. And the 47 and 132 is the correct prediction. 16 and 14 is the wrong prediction for genuine and fake accounts based on their indexes. And this is the specificity of XGBoost algorithm and the sensitivity of XGBoost algorithm. And this is the learning curve for XGBoost algorithm. This is the training accuracy and this is the cross validation. It will show the test accuracy. And the second algorithm is logistic regression algorithm. Logistic regression algorithm is one of the best algorithm for yes or no pattern. So it will properly detect the genuine and fake accounts. So that the logistic regression algorithm provides accuracy is 80%. And these are all the classification report of logistic regression algorithm. And this is the confusion matrix for logistic regression algorithm and specificity and sensitivity of our logistic regression algorithm. And this is the confusion matrix diagram. And this is the overall learning curve for the logistic regression algorithm. And our third algorithm is k-nearest neighbor algorithm. K-nearest neighbor algorithm which analyze the data based on the nearest neighbors. That means nearest values. So that the k-nearest neighbor algorithm provides accuracy of 81%. And these are all the classification report for k-nearest algorithm. And this is the confusion matrix result for k-nearest neighbor algorithm. And this is the diagram for k-NN algorithm and k-NN algorithm specificity and k-NN algorithm sensitivity. And this is the learning curve for k-nearest neighbor algorithm. And our final algorithm is random forest algorithm. Random forest is also one type of ensemble learning algorithm. The working principle of random forest algorithm, which is used to take the more number of decision, and it will choose the best and highest decision and provide the results based on the accuracy. It will generate the result is 88%. And these are the classification report of random forest algorithm. And this is the confusion matrix of random forest algorithm. And this is the confusion matrix part. And specificity and sensitivity of random forest algorithm, and this is the learning curve of random forest algorithm. Finally, I will plot the overall comparison between the every 4 algorithms. In that, our random forest algorithm will provide the highest result, and these are all the variable result of